All right, today we have a beautiful 1970 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J, 400, numbers matching transmission, loaded with options, factory AC, ice cold, power front disc brakes, power steering, power windows, tilt wheel, has the automatic trunk release from a glove box. We are reshooting this video. We had a few emails wondering when I drove over the curb what the noise was. We did have some front sway bar bushings that were bad. They have been replaced. Problem solved. Again, the paint was nice when we got it. Did a mild paint correction on it. Paint looks just as good in the pictures or the video in person. All the chrome, trim, bright work are extremely nice. Nice, solid, straight car. Black shows everything. You can look up and down the side of this car, and it is straight. Landau top is in great shape. Back bumper, again, all the trim is in nice shape as well. Dash is in good shape. So the Landau top is, somebody's replaced this not all that long ago. Drip rail, very nice. The package tray is extremely nice. Gotta love the pocket handles. Lots of new rubber seals on the vehicle. LED lighting, interior and in the trunk has been replaced. Very nice, very bright inside now. Does have all 4 seat belts. They do function. We are going to do a door adjustment on this. Move the striker in a tad. It appears to be just out a little bit, but no big deal. All the gauges. There's the clock. There's the button. Even have the light working in the center console. Nice car.